Have you ever been working with fillets in Fusion and wondered why you can't control one edge versus another? I mean, chamfer has the two edge option where you can control it differently and change the result pretty dramatically. Well, now in Fusion, you have an option when a fillet, you can come over to your radius type and choose asymmetric. This now gives you two control handles similar to what you're used to with the chamfer, where you now can set the depth and control of how it solves the fillet. And of course, you still can control the overall radius. And of course, this does apply for internal fillets where you're adding material to round out edges where you have harsh corner. In this case, choosing asymmetric, I can just increase this height here, as well as at the bottom portion, we can bring this in or out. Now, if you've got some tinnitus in your arm and you hate clicking a lot, I totally get that. When it comes to creating all of these fillets, it can be a little painful. So let's use an asymmetric fillet with one additional option. We're going to use the option called Rule Fillet. This allows you to select a number of edges, faces, or features and apply a fillet accordingly. Come down and choose this shell command that contains a lot of different impacted faces. Let's do a reasonable size. You can see that it's doing two types of fillets. It's doing this outer edge, which is a round, and then it's also adding material at a fillet level. Now, if I come down and choose topology, I can filter it and have it only do one or the other. Let's get rid of the internal fillets and just do rounds. You can see those go away and come zoom back out. We are applying the rounds. Either I can fill it out here in the dialog, or I can use the slider handle to adjust it a little bit and set it deeper in one direction. And one friendly reminder, fillets aren't just for looks. You can make your part stronger. So just adding a fillet into this corner, asymmetric or not, this will make my part stronger and remove some stress concentrations just by using the fillet feature. Hey, I created a bunch of cheat sheets along with full playlist of all my Fusion videos. This is all free. Go check it out. It's at my website. Here's the link. See you guys in the next video.